Welcome back guys to this channel. In this video I will show you how to disable dark mode on Google Chrome. So on your desktop, go to search and search for settings, then click the settings app, go to personalization, and then go to colors, and then here you will see choose color. So go to light, and then you will notice that the whole appearance of your desktop will become light, and then when you check your Google Chrome, it's become light. So let's check that. So once we turn it to dark mode, you will see that the Google Chrome will follow the dark mode. So once you bring it back to light mode, the Google Chrome will also turn to light mode. So that's it. That's how you enable or disable dark mode on your Google Chrome. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like and subscribe.